Welcome back to the shop and welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to be making a wooden mallet to use around in the shop. I've never made one before, so it's going to be nice to have a tool that I've made myself, and hopefully it will last through my lifetime if I make it well. I want to make it with a round head. I don't have a lathe, so I'm going to use hand tools to make that curvature. The handle is going to be ash, the head is going to be oak, and that's it. Let's go. So we've got our block ready, it's all square, I've marked everything up. The next thing I'm going to do is drill this centre part out for the handle. So all that is going to go here. And we're going to use a drill bit that will take the majority out, and then I'll clean it up with a chisel and work back to my lines. I'm going to chisel the same way. Chisel halfway through, flip the piece, and then chisel back onto myself, because when this is down on the table I obviously won't be able to see what I'm doing, and I don't want to make one side wider than the other. Once we've done that, we'll then get cutting the ash. We'll pick out the straightest grain we've got, and then yeah, we'll get shaping this. So I've got this roughly cut out now. I'm just gonna clean it up, go all the way, I'm not sure if you can see, go all the way to the lines, and then we can start cutting the handle. I might have done this tenon a bit too big, but I think it'll look good anyway. I've freshly sharpened my chisel too. I sharpen mine by hand. Okay, now we got this cut out, we've got the mortise cut out. I'm just gonna eyeball how much material I need for the handle. Well, they should be fine. I'll take that to the miter saw, chop that, and then cut out a piece on the bandsaw. Now that we've got the stock ready for the handle, I'm just going to take this to the workbench and make it into a circle that we marked out earlier. And just softening up the edges. I've decided that I'm going to keep this as it is. So I might start a trend and leave this as it is. I could call it the Teardrop Mallet. Just for a bit of fun, and why not? I'm going to call it my Teardrop Hammer, or Teardrop Mallet. So I'm just going to sand the edges down before moving on to doing the rest of the handle. Just set up a stop block on the bandsaw, so it'll hit this line here. I'll run my piece through like so, through the blade, and then it'll stop exactly where I need it. I've just finished up on the handle, just getting most of the bulk off using the spoke shave and rasps. I'm just going to take it now to the spindle sander to get it to its final shape, refine anything that I need to, and then we can cut some wedges and glue it all up. Okay, the handle's finished and sanded to the final grit. I've got my stock ready to cut some wedges. I'll do that on the bandsaw and then we can glue it up. My first mallet, I am like super happy about that. I'm just gonna round these corners off now to blend that in. Look at this. I'm super happy with it. I've just softened the edges. I've given it a once over with sanding by hand. This is the first mallet I've ever made, so as you can see, I'm like super happy. I love that I've kept this teardrop design. I just think that'll make it unique to me. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to see future videos like this one. But for now, let's get the finish on and I'll see you on the next one.